Welcome back, everyone. This episode, I'm going to tell you the fifth thing that I got for my Jeep. Let's make our way back to the tail end. Once again, the fifth thing that I got for my Jeep is actually a bed liner. Now, when I first got my Jeep, it already came equipped with the rugged bed liner that's it's called an under rail bed liner. It's a full, more like a full bowl, fits in. You can't see it now with all the cargo that's in the way, but if I lift this bed liner here, you can see this is the rugged bed liner one. It's basically hard plastic, and with that being said, when I put the cargo in there, it slides back and forth. So I made the decision to get another bed liner, which is this one right here. And this one works a lot better, that my cargo and everything is not sliding back and forth because it's more like a rubberized plastic, as you can see. So that is the fifth thing that I did, was add that. And also, since it's more of a flat surface, I could easily step on it without putting my foot or shoes or grips into the bed liner and having to trip over it. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's the fifth thing. I'll be back, let you know what the sixth thing that I did to my Jeep Gladiator, 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Stay tuned for more. Peace.